Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer like a session for this love pain, yeah? Ooh.
Hey everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my social media planner. This is the Planner Babe planner and I use it for social media. Let's see. I'll just show you. Here's a look at last week's after the pen. And I usually do YouTube at the top, Instagram at the bottom, and some type of, usually this is a to-do list across the bottom for the magazine that I publish, Paper Planner Essentials. So I'm going to go ahead and take these off the disc. I'll be planning for the week of July 13th through the 19th. And I have pulled this book, A Year to Shine, so I'll be using that one, and I'll probably pull my colorful boxes at some point, so we'll see. But I'll go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, guys, that's it. I'm going to stop right there. I kind of struggled with this. I'm probably going to have to find some washi or some sticker paper and cover up this stripe, because I think that's what was really throwing me off. But I do have some white sticker paper, so I'll probably go ahead and cover this up. Yeah, because that just is, I'm either going to use sticker paper or I'm going to use washi, and I'm not sure which one, but that is really throwing me off. And I've really never had that issue. I guess, you know, most of the time when I choose sticker books, it's along the colors that are in the stripe. But today I picked that Year to Shine, and it just really threw me off. So I'm going to go ahead and put them back in the disc. And like I said, I am going to have to cover that up before the week is out, because I really don't like how that looks with that stripe going down the side. But all right, so that's it. But anyway, you know, other than the stripe, I think it turned out cute. All right, guys, I'm back. I wanted to come back on and show you what I did. I could not stand to see this stripe up against these stickers. So what I did, I got a sheet of sticker paper. That's just this clear sticker paper. Not clear, white sticker paper. And I measured the spine. I measured up against the spine, and I cut it down, and I put it over the stripes. Now there's still some shadowing, but it is nothing like it looked in the beginning. So let me move this out of the way. But I did want to show you. So I covered that stripe with sticker paper, and then I punched it. And so now this is what it looks like. And I think that is 100 times better. So kind of happy with it. So all right, so if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.